After mounting complaints by cattle farmers, the Ministry of Agriculture has announced improved measures to its tagging program. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green provided details at the launch of the 128th General Meeting of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, at the Denbigh Showgrounds in Clarendon on Wednesday.
Cattle farmers can now breathe a sigh of relief following an announcement by the Ministry of Agriculture that it will be rolling out a series of measures to address the growing backlog in cattle tagging. The measures include expanding the service, increasing the supply of identification tags, recruiting community assistants, and the introduction of a temporary arrangement to facilitate the transport of eligible animals for slaughter. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green said the initiatives are intended to meet the surge in demand for cattle tagging while ensuring legitimate farmers can continue their operations. And as part of the effort, 6 new animal technicians will join the Veterinary Services Division, FSD, over the next 4 weeks.
And we're going to deploy them to the parishes where we're having the biggest challenges. Additionally, sometimes the issue is not just the veterinary officer or the animal technician, but to get people to restrain the animals sometimes poses a problem. So we're going to be hiring 100 community assistants to work with the Veterinary Services Division to go into the communities to help the farmers restrain the animals so that we can tag in a more efficient system.
Minister Green also assured farmers that the ministry has taken steps to maintain an adequate supply of cattle.
We have an order for an additional 130,000 tags that will come by the first week in August, and that is in addition to 20,000 tags that we just got about 2 weeks ago. So tag won't be the issue.
Additionally, the minister announced that during July and August, the ministry will implement a temporary arrangement to allow legitimate farmers who have experienced difficulties getting their animals tagged to transport those animals for slaughter. The measure is intended to reduce the backlog while ensuring farmers and butchers can continue their business.
So the Agricultural Protection Branch is working with RADA to work out the protocol around that. It will require that you notify the police. It will require that you have your receipts. You still will need receipts. And it will only be for a set time period.
The minister also urged farmers not to wait until they are ready to sell an animal before arranging for it to be tagged. Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.